What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to name 3 different organic compounds. All 3 of them are carboxylic acid, which means that has carbonyl group connected to the OH group, so that's why we have carboxylic acid. And all 3 of them have amino group, NH2, NH2 and NH2. You know NH2 belongs to amine family. But here, since we have carbonyl and OH, which is carboxylic acid, that's more prior to amino group. That's why we call it acid. So let's start naming these compounds. We need to always start with naming the carbon connects to carbon group and OH. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here we have 3 amino, 4 methoxy. That's M, this one is A. So that comes first. It's going to be 3 amino, 4 methoxy, then we can say pentanoic acid. Why pentanoic? Because we have 5 carbons in total. Next one, we have 1 and 2. We have 2 amino ethanoic acid. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have methyl and methyl. We have amino. So we have 2 amino, 3 and 3 dimethyl pentanoic acid, because we have 5 carbon atoms. So that's going to be the name of all these 3 organic compounds. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.